So how are you liking the fest?
Yeah, it's good.
What did you like the most till now?
I haven't tasted yet.
Okay, you had the welcome drinks and the charts?
Yeah, it was
You
good.
enjoyed?
Yeah.
Yeah. I hope you have a great time.
Yeah, thank you.
Hi. You like the fest?
Yeah.
How was the food?
Food is nice.
So how are you enjoying, sir?
Yeah, it's fine, very good.
Thank you. I hope you enjoy. Meet our culinary head. All the efforts goes to her. How are you feeling?
It feels great. The show is going good. Everything's in pace. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye. How are you enjoying the food?
Definitely, it's good.
So you like the fest? Your daughter's effort?
Yeah, definitely, it is very amazing.
Thank you, sir. I hope you enjoy.
Definitely.
Thank you, sir. How are you enjoying the food fest?
Oh, wonderful. We've got 3 plates.
Oh, amazing. I hope you enjoy the food fest.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Ma'am, how are you enjoying?
Yeah, it's really a fun festival. Actually, we are doing a great time.
Are you enjoying with the guests?
Yes, it's very nice. Good to see the people all over.
So the efforts we have put in is worth?
Yeah, it's definitely worth the effort.
Thank you. Hello, sir.
Hello,
How are you enjoying the food fest?
very good.
So, preparations ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
How did you like a food fiesta?
I think it's excellent, especially when students have done it. I think it's a very good job.
Thank you so much. So, from which hotel are you from?
I am actually a guest with Aloft,
Okay.
right? So I've been staying with them for a while. So then they said, he's from Aloft. So he said, come along. It's done by students. And when I said students and food, look at my size. So food is definitely close to my heart.
What did you like the most today?
I'm a beef person.
Oh, beef. Excellent.
Yeah. So I think it's a very good job. You tell the students to keep doing it. It's really very, very good.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Sir, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm excellent. So, did
This and very nice food festival, very well organized, and I would say one of the best. Even when I used to be in college, I used to arrange for these kind of food festivals, and this is one of the best.
thank you so much. So, what did you like the most today?
We both are actually beef pork, so
No beat on it. So, did you enjoy the beef and pork?
I did.
Okay.
They were good.
So, from which hotel are you from?
I am from Marriott International. I work for Aloft.
Okay, how many years of experience do you have in this field, sir?
7 years now.
Oh, that's pretty good. So, I hope you enjoy the fiesta for today.
I did. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Fine.
So, how did you enjoy the food fiesta?
Compared to last year, it was awesome.
Okay, so you were there last year?
Yeah, I was in a culinary student.
Okay, that's nice. So, what did you like the most about the culinary fiesta today?
Today we like barbecues and that Faluda in bakery. We like
Thank you so much. Good evening, sir. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
So, how did you like the food fiesta going on today?
It was nice.
So, what did you like the most about the food fiesta here today?
I've not tried the barbecue yet, but I've heard that barbecue is nice. So
Okay.
I'm
In the thing which you have tasted in the dishes, what did you like the most?
me, the desserts.
Oh, So, you're a sweet person, I believe. Okay, thank you so much, sir. Good evening, sir. How are you?
I am fine, and the taste of all the foods are awesome. Okay, I enjoy the international food fest, and basically I like non-veg foods, and the non-veg foods are awesome.
Okay, what did you like the most in everything for the food feast?
Chicken,
Chicken, all the chicken. So you had nicely, sir.
all chickens.
Okay. So this is the first time you have come to the food fiesta for.
Yeah, first time.
Okay. I hope you enjoyed it, sir.
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
thank you.
And good evening, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good.
So did you like our culinary fiesta?
Yes, it was really good. Had so much food. See, you can see my tummy. It's come like this.
That's okay. You can reduce. That's not a problem. So what did you like the most today in the food?
I like the burger. I like the bakery section because I have a person here who's from bakery, so that's why. And I like the momo. Yeah, that's it.
So how do you feel, ma'am? Like after it's just all students' effort going on here. How do you feel?
I really appreciate them because I do see a lot of trainees in my hotel as well, and they do a lot of hard work. And I see a guy standing here also. I appreciate him a lot, the tea stall guy. Yeah, and yeah, that's it. Good luck. That's it.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Bye.
Hello, good evening, ma'am. How are you feeling?
Enthralled! Enthralled!
Do you think the hard work which you have put on all this is worth it?
Yeah,
Totally worth it.
totally!
How are you feeling today now after everything is getting over?
Exhilarated and tired, super tired!
Obviously, you have to be tired. Yeah. Thank you. So, good evening, ma'am. How are you?
Very good.
So, did you like the food fiesta?
Yeah, a lot of happening stuff is there, good music. I believe good food, though I am vegetarian, so little less choices for vegetarian. But I'm sure for the non-vegetarians, there were good heaven food out there.
So, how did you like the desserts? It's veg.
Yeah, it was nice.
Okay.
Fabulous.
So, what did you like the most today in the food fiesta?
At last, I tried momos.
Okay.
So I mean, as again, I would say there are less choices for the vegetarians. So that doesn't mean I'm disappointed.
Not at all.
But as a comparison, yes, there's a little bit of partiality.
International street food.
I can understand. So momos, yes. And of course, the bakery items.
Bakery items. So, I hope you had a good time with your family.
Yes, sure.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Good evening, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine, beer. Thank you.
So, this is your son?
Yeah, son. Nihal.
What's your name?
Nihal,
What are you studying in?
6th class.
Which school?
Shri Chaitanya.
Nice. So, did you enjoy the food fest, ma'am, today?
Of course, and this is not the first time I'm coming.
Definitely.
So every year I keep joining. So obviously, you know, the decoration is awesome, and the music along with food is good. No,
What
never not boring.
Yes. What did you like the most today, ma'am? The day in the food.
Rolls. There were different kinds of rolls. Like my kid liked shawarma very much.
Okay. What did you like shawarma a lot?
Yeah,
What else did you like? You didn't like any desserts?
I like.
Which did you like the desserts most?
I like that juicy kind of thing one.
Okay. You, ma'am, desserts?
He doesn't know the names, but the mousse was really good, and yeah, banana sweet was very nice. Means it was different kind of something unique which we normally don't taste. So everything was unique. No, it's not
you
like
so much.
normally. Yeah, only maybe that dosa curry, and only that is the only thing which we normally eat.
Apart from
daily.
that, everything
Apart
is-
from, yeah, everything was unique.
Thank you so much. I hope you had a great time with your family today.
Seriously, and I hope again I should ask sir when he will be conducting the next one.
Definitely. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, dear.
So, good evening, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm doing amazing. So, did you like the food fiesta today?
I just loved it, especially it's kind of a fest kind of a thing, and I have volunteered many fests like this before, but it is actually very organized, and the food kind of rocks. I just loved it.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So, what did you like the most for the today, the dishes?
The dishes you mean? Okay.
Cuisine or the dishes, anything?
I'm a big fan of bakery stuffs. So I just loved all the bakery items over there, and I also love the momos. If you want the savory, I love the momos.
That
over
a
there.
lot, momos.
Yeah. And I'm from Calcutta, so I'm biased towards momos. So I loved it.
So, you're a sweet lover.
I am a bit time sweet tooth, and I just love the bakery items, especially the Japanese street food. I just loved that. I loved that.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I hope you had a great time.
I actually did have a wonderful time, and the thing is that all the food, not only the bakery stuffs, all the food are very well decided, and I just loved it.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks. So, good evening, sir. How are you?
Yeah, all right, good. Thank you.
Did you like our food fiesta for the day?
Yeah, it was excellent, and the spreads are very much different varieties of concept, and as well it was done by kids. It is fantastic, you know. The complete credit goes to the kids.
Thank you so much, chef. And what did you like the most about the...
Especially Middle Eastern barbecue was fantastic. You know, it's like our hotel, how we will do. The spread was like that. The setup concept was superb.
Thank you so much, chef. I hope you had a great time. Thank you.